In September 2019, Greta Thunberg made her voice heard internationally by leading a global protest to climate change. The protest happened in over 85 countries and millions of people came out to the street to support her effort. Since the start of the industrial age, we have seen global CO2 emissions increase exponentially due to the burning of fossil fuels. The impact of the increased greenhouse gases has played havoc with extreme weather conditions. And the frequency and intensity of hurricanes has everyone concerned. There is hope. We have a choice to reduce our carbon footprint with converting to solar power. Did you know that in 1 hour, enough sunlight strikes the Earth to provide the entire planet's energy needs for 1 year, as per Daniel Nocera, professor at MIT? Dilip Gupta, director and co-founder of Solar eTribe, is an engineer, businessman, and entrepreneur. Solar eTribe, or SET for short, has a team of degreed engineers and businessmen with MBA distinction. SET is committed to educating the community on renewable energy, collaborating with individuals and organizations on the latest renewable energy technology, and being a provider of residential and commercial solar energy solutions. Recently, Susan Alvarez gave a presentation, City of Dallas Climate and Energy Initiatives. So how does climate change impact us here locally? It will increase our utility bills, increase our insurance costs, people will miss more days of work, there'll be increased illnesses, it could cause global instabilities and have an impact on national environmental treasures. Solar eTribe is doing its part with a recent community outreach and education program to the STEM and Robotics Academy in Plano, Texas. An informative presentation was made to these young people on renewable energy. Solar is not merely our business, but it's our passion. There is no doubt solar power holds a strong market potential and will become a clear alternative for mainstream energy required for our daily use. Our rate is highly competitive and the lowest in town, guaranteed. And the proof is in the results. A recent North Texas home had an electric bill where the net pay was only $3.46. Solar eTribe installs solar systems for both residential and commercial buildings. Solar eTribe works with experienced, seasoned installation teams that have installed over 500 solar power projects in the Dallas Metroplex and other cities in North Texas. Solar eTribe does not simply install solar panels, but educates the clients and provides additional information that no other solar company can provide, so you can make educated decisions based on your situation. Contact us for a free assessment and consultation.